Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, February 5th, 2020. I hope everybody's had a great night last night, and looking forward to today. So this is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Well, let's check and see where we left off in the market here. So I've got the weekly chart pulled up. So quite a significant week so far in the SPX as we've reclaimed the majority, basically all the momentum shooting star candle from last week. So very, very bullish implications going into the rest of the week. And we'll take a look at the S&P futures and see how that's playing out. So this all happened with the gap up yesterday. And some nice continuation to finally fill the closing gap from 2 Fridays ago from the big move down. Notice how these candles look very, very similar. This one had a little bit of support, right? A couple support levels here, as you can see from the weekly chart too, and the 50-day moving average. This one right here, not so much, and we also had a weekend, with some extra news on it to give it the gap down. So that gave us a change of composure in the market, right? We shifted our trend box down, had a key candle right here that needed to close bearishly again below these levels and couldn't quite do it with the lower shadow right here. Then we had an inside day after a gap up, and we gapped above the inside day. So now these inside days we talked about last night do like to get tested eventually, but if we push to all-time highs, it may take a while. So we'll see how that plays out. So let's take a look at the futures this morning here. Let's see how they're looking. So very, very bullish, right? So 33.20 key level, 33.30 is another key level right here, up 21 points so far on the S&P futures. Again, big, very, very close to all-time highs, 33.3750. So again, a little bit of a possible bull flag forming right here. Let's see if we can break out of that, and then we hit all-time highs today. If that happens, we go back to the SPX, shift the trend line back over, and maintain the bullish until proven otherwise. So, some news overnight. They were saying that the coronavirus, they've made massive progress towards a cure for it. And then the WHO came out this morning and said that that was not true, but the market's still holding up anyway. So, so there you have it. So let's take a look and see what's going on for today. So we've got a couple things on the list. We've got MRK. Merck & Company has earnings this morning and is down a little bit on that, and I think they're doing some spin-offs on their company too, so definitely keep an eye on that for possible 15-orb trade. CMG reports this morning. Actually, they reported last night, sorry, and they're up pre-market here, so definitely keep an eye on this one. They had a little big flush down, and then they recovered nicely into the evening, and up nicely here at 9:05. Let's take a look at that and see where we're at with the market here. Yep, all-time highs. So let's see if we get a gap and go on CMG, on Chipotle. So good stuff there. Let's see what else we have on the list. Snap. Earnings last night down a little bit here. See if it gets below that 16 level. If not, we may see some chop or a potential reversal on Snap today. Spotify reported this morning, and they're down a little bit here, barely down below yesterday's lows, but believe they had a miss as well. Ford Motor Company, F. Big down move yesterday. Seems to be reclaiming a little bit this morning. Obviously it's a very inexpensive stock, so watch out for the potential slowness of it. Disney, kind of in the middle of the range yesterday. Basically, the sellers of premium did real well overnight, and right in the middle of the range. So had a big move up on a earnings and revenue beat, and then a push down on the coronavirus talk, and then just kind of chopping around in the middle right now. So Disney's usually tough on next earnings day, but it's still worth keeping an eye on. And then Nike had a message last night that the coronavirus is affecting their operations, and who knows, maybe the thoughts of the cure of it is bringing it back up this morning or whatever the case is here. So, but something to keep an eye on too this morning as well. Other than that, I think we'll just be watching our go-to list, seeing what Tesla is up to this morning. Let's take a quick look and see how it's behaving right here. It's actually down a little bit this morning, so we'll see if they can get push up another 100 or 200 points today, and see if that can continue. It's the Tesla bubble. So, all right, guys. Well, we'll catch you guys at the lunchtime market update. I hope everybody has an awesome morning this morning, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you soon.